Okay guys, today is a documentary for FFL Some Untold Stories where we follow 9 characters. Today is the premiere, the first ever Fun for Life premiere documentary at GSC Nu Sentral. Are you guys ready? Let's go! Okay, right now the movie will start soon. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go!
It is time for our documentary! Okay, can we do a countdown of 5 seconds together, everyone? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Enjoy the documentary.
How was the movie? What was your reaction to it?
I think we could see in person, like what's really happening, because sometimes when you hear things and you look at things, you feel motivated, but when you really look at how it's happening, I think it's very impactful, and I think more kids should get this experience opportunity as well.
For a moment, I really thought this is so much better than American Idol behind the scenes, okay? You got to watch this, really.
Would you recommend this movie to other people?
I really recommend it. Every student need to know about the financial literacy. And I really recommend this documentary to all of my students out there.
We want to show to you the real life experiences. These kids are amazing.
Not I think, but the film was really incredible in the way that it has presented to us how important it is for children who really need and deserve financial literacy, financial education. Like one of the students said, not how to manage the money, but how can I learn how to manage my emotions and behaviors regarding money. So isn't that something that really important that we should focus on?
So if you believe that financial education, when we talk about financial education, is not just about budgeting, it's not just about saving strategies, it's about your behavior with money.
This Fun for Life of one thing in 2023 to go to 100,000 students.
So if you believe in financial education and you want to work together, we want to work with you, and we hope you would want to work with us. And we need your help to reach 100,000 students.
Give us one word to describe the movie.
Exciting.
Terrific.
Fun.
Amazing.
Perfect.
Effective. Fantastic. Whoa.
Amazing.
Life-changing.